So I've installed a new DC motor here in this actuator, and the one I use here is from Jamco, and it's the item number 1 here. It's the Jamco part number 174693, and it says it's a DC motor with a 3000 RPM at 12 volt DC, and so I'm going to plug that in and see how it works. I'm going to set it on this CD here as a shelf. Hopefully this one won't overshoot like the other one did. Got the ignition on. I'm going to raise the temperature. So this arm should move in that direction. Yeah, that's working pretty good. That's it's not hunting around or anything. So evidently the motor is matched to the drivetrain better. It's just doing little steps. You can see, maybe you can see it better. I'm at 68. So it's not overcorrecting. Now it's going full cold. I'm at 66. I'll warm it up. It's working pretty good. I'm happy with the response. It's you bump up a degree and it just goes a little, and it will correct itself as it senses the temperature. So that's the right motor to use. The first one I had was too powerful and it was overshooting the mark. So the next thing I'll have to do is put it in, and my heating system should be functioning again. So you can see it mounts in the car just like this, and when the this engages to an arm, and so when it swings toward the front of the car like that, that's more heat. I'll show you. It's incrementing toward the front of the car. I'm up to 81, and if I cool it down, it's going to go back toward the rear of the car. So I would call this the blend actuator.